Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to categorize credit card payments in YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you go to under accounts, so I have like credit 1 and credit 2. And if I were to go to budget, as you can see, I have credit right over here. So what you want to do is go to the top right of the pen icon, and then top left on the folder plus icon. Then you want to give a group name. So let's say this is credit 2 plus on the right side, and just give it name credit 2 and add how much your credit is at the moment, and then click on done, and then you see I have it credit here. So what I want to do is come here and let's just say I paid off everything, which is now done, but it's still not showing here. What you have to do is just click on starting to balance, click on that and categorize, and then you have credit 2, and boom, as you can see, the credit has been paid off. Now for some reason it's not showing, but it should be like that, it's paid off. And then you can always see it under the credit 2 available for balance and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.